everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a subscription unboxing, and that is of the Look Fantastic December box. This is a subscription service offered by the beauty website Look Fantastic, and it does cost £15 a month, and for that £15 you do get 6 items, most of which do tend to be full size or at least sort of travel size minis. I've been back subscribed to the service for a couple of months now and I have been enjoying it so far. So I did actually open this box up earlier when I received it because I wanted to check the booklet to see if the prices were back included in the booklet. They were not in there last month and I did have to look everything up online, so I wanted to be able to give you the prices if they were not included in the booklet, and as they were not, I did look everything up. So I haven't looked at the products in my actual box, I did just get prices of everything that was included in the booklet. So I think there's a couple of options with some of the things in there, so I can't give you the prices of what all the options are. So why don't I show you what I received. I do really love the packaging of this month's box. It's very festive but also sort of classy looking with the black and white ornaments on it. And then here is the book that I've already looked through, so I will go back to it because it does have more details about the products. And here are the products, and we have nice shiny gold tissue paper this year, which I think I might keep hold of, and that might be handy to go in some gift bags with Christmas presents. So I will start first of all with this product here. This is from the brand Jekka Black, and these are glow drops, and this is a highlighting primer for the face. This is a product that I believe I received in a Glossybox earlier in the year, and I know that Look Fantastic and Glossybox are linked, so they probably have some connection to this brand to be able to get a lot of this product. I didn't use that product when I got it in Glossybox, and I either passed it on to a friend or put it in a giveaway. To be honest, I'm going to do the same again because I know I won't get use out of this product. I do hopefully have a giveaway coming up on my channel in the next couple of weeks. I do usually do one around the holidays time, so I will just put this to one side to go in there. So value wise for this one, this appears to be a full size product, and this one retails for £16. Somehow just knocked my camera, but I think I've got it back in position, hopefully. So the next product we have here is this one from Percy and Reed. This is the Session Hold Hairspray, and this is 50ml. So this one says it's an ultra fine hairspray which gives a flexible hold. I don't tend to reach for hairspray very often. It is mainly when I curl my hair, which isn't very often, especially nowadays, but I do like a kind of more flexible hairspray. I hate the ones that make your hair just go rock hard, so this does sound like the kind of hairspray that I would like. I haven't long purchased a new one, so I don't know how much use I will get out of this in the near future, but I might keep hold of it because it does sound like a product I will use. So the value of this one is £6. This was a product where I could have got one of 2 items, so I will show you what the other item could have been when I go through the book. Next we have this product from Ren. This is the Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Energizing Lotion. I'm not too sure what that is. It's a hand and body lotion. I don't tend to really use body lotions. I am really lazy when it comes to sort of moisturising my body. I do tend to just use in shower products. This is another product that there was possibly one of 2 choices, so again I will show you the other one when I go through the booklet, but value wise for this one I work out at £3. Then we have this product from Advanced Skincare. This is the Pro Radiant Brightening Eye Final Touch, which is an eye cream, and this is a product that we were sneak peeked last month. To be honest, because I knew we were getting an Avant product, I didn't expect the highest of values in the rest of the products because this alone is £98. Even just for this small 10ml tube, it is still £98. I did only pay £15 for the box, so obviously I'm getting more than my money with just this product alone. Avant products appear quite heavily in subscription services. I don't think a few months pass without me receiving another Avant product, and to be honest I have liked what I've tried, but I would never purchase a £98 eye cream, but I'm still excited to give it a go. Next we have this eye brush from Brushworks. This is the double-ended eye brush. So this is the brush. It's actually fatter than I thought it would be. So that is the end there, and then this is a sort of flat but also fluffy brush on this end. I'm not a huge fan of double-ended brushes, although one of my favourites that I'm using at the moment is one from Sigma, which is double-ended, but generally I don't really like to reach for double-ended brushes, so I don't know how much use I will get out of this one. So this one might also go into the giveaway. And the value of this brush is £4. Final product we have here is something from the Balm. This is the Petal to the Metal Cream Eyeshadow. This is in a really gorgeous kind of sort of brownie rose gold shade. It does look like it has quite a few sort of glitter specks to it, but I am quite intrigued to give this one a go. I haven't tried anything new from the Balm for a while, and I also haven't tried a cream eyeshadow for a while. I know though if this product doesn't work for me, my mum tends to just wear cream eyeshadow, so I can always pass this on to her. Value wise for this one, it was quite tricky to work out because you can't actually buy these shadows individually. So what I did for this is I based the value on the full size palette. So they do have 2 of these Petal to the Metal eyeshadow palettes, and they are £15 each. Each of the palettes contains 8 shades. Looking at the amount of grams in this single eyeshadow, which is 1.2 grams, compared to how much is in the full-size eyeshadow palette, it is about the same for a single shadow. So I've worked out that this single shade is worth £1.87. So I'll just pull the items back over and then I'll go through the booklet. So they are the 6 items there. So I've added up the value of all 6 products and it comes to £128.87. Obviously £98 of that is the Avant cream, so if you do take that out of the equation then you are only getting about £30 value in this box. If you're someone who doesn't like eye creams, then it's not going to be the best box, and generally for me it's not the best box. I'm quite excited to try the eye cream from Avant, and I'm looking forward to trying the cream eyeshadow from the Balm. The Hairspray is an okay product, but other than that it's not the best, and they're not all products that I'm sort of dying to try. So for me this month was a bit of a miss, and I always feel like they should kind of pull the stops out more for December to end the year with a bang, especially after the year we've had. So I am slightly disappointed with this box, but I do think I got £15 worth of value in the products, even just to try the sort of eye product. So now I will go through the book and show you the alternatives that I could have received. Here we have the first product, which is the Percy and Reed Hairspray. So as I said, this one was worth £6. I could have possibly received the, I think it's Sukin that you say, and this is the Pink Clay Facial Mask. Out of these 2 products, I'm glad I received the Hairspray because I think I would use that one more. So the value of the Sukin product, it's normally £12 for 100ml, and this is just 20ml, so that is worth £2.39. So I did get the slightly higher valued product there. And we've got a couple of products that everyone receives, and one is the Brushworks brush, which as I said was worth £4. And then we also have the Jekka Black Glow Drops, which I said was worth £16. So it does say for this one you can use it under your makeup as a primer, and you can also apply it afterwards as a highlighter. Then on the next page we have the Balm Petal to the Metal eyeshadows. So it looks like we could have received one of 5 different shades, which is nice. I think the shade that I've received is this one here, even though it does look more orangey on the picture than in the pan. Apart from maybe this reddish looking shade, I would have happily received any of the shades on there, so that is good. So this one says it's creamy, buildable and easy to blend. This eyeshadow is what you need to inject a bit of colour into your makeup routine. Whatever colour you receive this month, expect a strong pigment. Then up here we have another possibility of 2 items. Obviously I've received the Ren product. The other one I could have received is from Medicate, and this is the Hydrate Serum. To be honest, I would have much preferred to receive that because I do really like hydrating serums, and I would have definitely used that one, whereas I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this one from Ren yet. As to value, as I said earlier, the Ren Energizing Lotion was worth £3, and I've actually worked out that the Medicate serum is worth £13.33. So there is quite a difference in the prices of those 2 items. The price difference in these is a whole £10, which I don't think they are close enough in value for them to be alternates to each other. So yeah, I much would have preferred to receive the hydrating serum, and say I wish they'd kind of put 2 closer valued products. And then finally we have the eye cream from Avant. As I said earlier, this one is worth £98. This one says fight signs of aging with this luxury eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater. to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow. So that does sound exactly what I need in an eye cream, so it does sound like a really good product and I am looking forward to giving it a go. So that is everything in the December Look Fantastic subscription box. It's just an okay one. I have definitely received worse, and there are a couple of products in here that I'll use, but yeah, it's just not a favourite of mine. Not so much that I'm going to cancel, I am going to stay subscribed for a while longer. And to be honest, I might look to sign up to a 3-month plan just to save myself a little bit of money, because I am planning on staying subscribed for a little while longer. But other than that, that is it for today's unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.